UGREEN X Genshin Impact Accessory Collection. A treasure chest of premium gear for travelers. UGREEN has teamed up with the popular gacha game, Genshin Impact, to launch an exclusive collection of tech accessories inspired by the character Kinich. This collaboration brings a unique blend of practical gadgets and eye-catching designs, offering both functional support for gamers and a coveted gift set for fans of the hit title. The UGREEN X Genshin Impact Accessory Collection draws direct inspiration from Kinich, one of the game's beloved characters, resulting in a visually stunning product lineup. Right from the start, the packaging impresses with its intricate and thoughtful design. Modeled after the treasure chests found in Genshin Impact, the accessory box features a medieval style, reinforced with leather straps on both sides, creating an authentic and immersive experience for unboxing. The box is adorned with detailed patterns and striking green accents that evoke the aesthetic and symbolism of Kinich. Upon opening, fans are greeted with a high-quality Kinich poster and a heartfelt thank you letter from both UGREEN and the Genshin Impact development team, a personal touch that enhances the collectible value of the set. Beneath the poster lies the core collection of accessories, all styled with Kinich's signature color palette and motifs. The set includes the Nexode 20,000 mAh power bank, UGREEN Nexode 65W fast charger, a pop socket featuring Kinich's image, a 1-meter USB-C to USB-C charging cable, the UGREEN MagFlow wireless charger. Additionally, the lower compartment holds decorative items such as Kinich and a jaw standees crafted from acrylic, a photo frame inspired by Instagram post layouts, and a magnetic-backed pin badge. The collection also includes a stylish green phone strap, designed to fit between a phone's back and its case, plus a premium leather pouch to store accessories, along with 2 extra charging cables. The Nexode power bank in the Genshin Impact Edition truly stands out with its bold gaming-inspired design. Its matte black chassis is accented by neon green patterns reminiscent of Kinich's colors, making it an instant visual highlight on any desk or backpack. Built to be both durable and practical, the power bank's textured exterior helps reduce fingerprint smudges. It integrates a clear LED display on its side, allowing users to monitor battery percentage and charging status at a glance. Upon activation, an eye-catching animation featuring a jaw plays on the screen, adding to the gaming vibe. On the connectivity front, the power bank features 3 output ports. One USB-A port rated at 22.5 W, a USB-C port supporting 30 W output, and a powerful USB-C port capable of delivering up to 100 W. This versatility enables users to simultaneously charge multiple devices, from laptops and smartphones to smaller gadgets, without compromising speed or stability. For gamers and content creators who juggle multiple devices, this power bank is a reliable, stylish companion. The matching Nexode 65W charger continues the Kinich theme with vibrant neon green accents and character artwork. The charger's rear panel features a subtle gray-black pattern, adorned with the Genshin Impact logo and the iconic Fatui emblem, merging aesthetics with brand identity. Equipped with 2 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port, the charger offers a combined output of up to 65 watts, allowing rapid charging of smartphones, tablets, and laptops alike. Its compact size benefits from GaN gallium nitride technology, which boosts efficiency and thermal performance while keeping the charger lightweight and easy to carry. Thanks to its multi-port design and impressive power output, the Nexode 65W charger is ideal for gamers and professionals seeking a single, portable solution for powering multiple devices without clutter. UGREEN's MagFlow wireless charger completes the ensemble with a stylish accessory that combines form and function. Designed with the distinctive Genshin Impact aesthetic, the charger features neon blue light accents and game-inspired motifs that illuminate interactively when a device is charging. The charger's foldable design lets users adjust the viewing angle for comfortable use while charging, whether watching videos or engaging in video calls. It supports a total power output of 20 W, ensuring fast and reliable wireless charging for a broad range of Qi-compatible devices. For Apple users, iPhones from models 12 to 16 benefit from a maximum wireless charging output of 15W, optimizing battery replenishment times. Leveraging Qi 2 wireless charging standards. The MagFlow charger offers enhanced safety features alongside efficiency, allowing users to ditch cables without sacrificing convenience or reliability. Completing the collection is a USB-C to USB-C charging cable that stands out both in style and performance. Wrapped in a rugged nylon braided sheath, the 1-meter-long cable resists tangling and wear, perfect for everyday use and travel. The bright green color scheme ties in seamlessly with the Kinich-inspired theme, appealing to users who want their accessories to make a statement. On the technical side, the cable supports up to 100W power delivery for ultra-fast charging of compatible devices, from phones and tablets to laptops. Data transfer is also speedy, with a rate of 480 megabits per second enabling quick file copying and smooth synchronization. This combination of durability, design, and performance makes the cable a great addition to any tech-savvy fan's collection. Beyond the core tech, the UGREEN X Genshin Impact Collection shines with its inclusion of collectible items that enhance the overall experience. The acrylic standees of Kinich and Aja provide a charming display element for desks or shelves, while the Instagram-inspired photo frame adds a modern, playful touch. The magnetic pin badge is a subtle, yet classy accessory that fans can attach to bags, clothing, or cases, offering a way to show their love for the game in daily life. The green phone strap is both fashionable and functional, offering a secure grip for devices without bulk. Finally, the elegant leather pouch serves as an organized storage solution, keeping all accessories protected and easy to carry, whether at home or on the go. The UGREEN X Genshin Impact accessory line caters perfectly to two main groups: Genshin Impact fans with its authentic character-inspired designs and collectible extras. This set is a must-have for travelers who want to showcase their fandom in subtle yet meaningful ways. Gamers and power users, each accessory is built to high technical standards, delivering fast charging, reliable connectivity, and portability, essential qualities for users who demand performance and style from their gadgets. By blending functionality with aesthetic appeal, UGREEN and Genshin Impact have crafted a treasure chest of accessories that elevate everyday tech use into an immersive, personalized experience.